Well, this is another project I'm working on. These were a series of pen and ink and watercolor that I did while I was in Maui. Kind of like blossoms. Kind of as a central theme. And there's this man and this woman looking out. And sort of an abstract on blossom. This is a beautiful mermaid with the blossoms, and female. So it's sort of like have images within the images in some of these. The male lying there on the beach, and the female. Sort of like goddess, mystical, kind of beautiful. So the idea of this was that I was relaxing in Maui on the beach. I love to paint, and this is easy for me to do and pack it up, take with me. And what do you want? Hello. You didn't get to go to Maui. I know you would like to go to Maui. Oh, hello, you want to be picked up? I can pick you up. So, come here, come here, come here. Let's sit and look at this. Okay, let's pull out. So I'm going to keep you posted on this. I'm going to start putting more art that I do on my channel and how I create some of my art. This is going into a show called Erotica. So I've never done an erotica show before. It will be held here on Salt Spring. So maybe by the time I post this, it'll be already have been happened. But I'll incorporate this into my erotica show. So that's in February on Salt Spring, at the Salt Spring Gallery, and I'm looking forward to it. So I'm just working on this. I'm not sure what to do. I'm kind of thinking I could do individual, or I could incorporate this into one large painting. I have some ideas. I'd like to actually do a very large blossom flower behind this and maybe incorporate some of these into it. All paintings that go into this are for sale. So it's hard to say. I don't know. Sometimes I think it's better to do really small paintings, and some people, if they like them, they have space for them, and sometimes I like to do really big ones. So, and I'm always welcoming commissioned art paintings as well. But this is fun. This is, and this isn't a color palette that I normally use. I tend to go more to the teals, blues, rusts, phthalo blue. So this is good for me to do a bit more of a pastel-y with the oranges and pinks and passion, joy. It is, yeah, it's going to be exciting. So please come out to the show, and I'll keep you posted with this as I progress. I'll take some pictures, so enjoy. And please subscribe to Gulf Island Rock. Really appreciate it, and thanks to you all for viewing my videos. So hopefully we'll have more art videos in the upcoming year of 2019. Aloha!